In today's video, y'all, we are going to be reviewing YeeShow hair. I ordered this like a week ago. It came in this pretty pink dust bag. It also came in like some other pink packaging and stuff, but this is what the wig was in. Cute little dust bag. It came with a wig cap, a pack of wig caps, some lashes. These actually not that bad. Some lashes and a little TikTok card, which I'm going to do. Yeah. And then this is the wig. I got it in 30 inches. Like 180 density, I believe, what was available. But it came just like this. It's not giving 180 density right now, but that's what it's supposed to be. But this is the wig. It came just like this, and the net and stuff. Let me show y'all. This is the wig. The lace is actually kind of good. I haven't plugged it, of course. There's nothing to it yet. It came with some little baby hairs. Period. Pre-plugged. 180 density. This is the wig. Can't wait to put this on. I need to take this sew-in out. Yeah, this is it. The quality is not bad at all. See, it's given HD. And they got lace in the back as well. The combs inside. All that. But yeah, we're gonna see how she look when I install her. And I'm gonna get back to y'all once I get to her house. Peace. Hey y'all, so I just got to my friend's house. I'm about to show y'all what I had got from the beauty supply store. I already had the powder and the developer and the bow and the jet black. I had to get some foundation of my color. I think this is my color. A new lace band. Foam spray. Setting spray. Setting foam. Some lace glue. I just got this one. Some Ebon spray. And some Tweezers, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, that's what I needed from the beauty supply store. I got everything, and we about to get into bleaching the knots and stuff, and then into the install. So stay tuned and see how this wig turned out.
that masterpiece, no limit, baby. Give you that black car, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. No limit. I see murder that, no limit, baby. Give you that ghetto D, girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. So if you've never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you better than. No, what the fuck? Just a nigga. You be my soldier.
I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, go to waste. I say it straight, take your place, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look of the hair. It's very soft. It does give 180 density now. It blended very well. I love it. Flat iron, good. As y'all can see, let me back this up. I got 30-inch hair. Bitches love this hair. Touch it right there, yeah. Bitch, you want this hair? My bitch is bad. Your bitch is bad. I'm gonna need a thumbnail, so. And I am gonna try more styles. I just flat ironed it for right now because I did my mama hair today and I just don't feel like doing all that.